Hello guys, making this video for anyone looking to start a pressure washing business. These 4 questions I want to highlight for any who are thinking about starting a pressure washing business. That first question there, where do I start? I've heard much about pressure washing and it looks interesting. I really want to get into it, you might say. So, these are, my recommendations. I've been in the business over 20 years, so these are just a few recommendations on where to start, where to begin, and perhaps you have owned a pressure washer at your home or for a while to, maybe wash your car, wash your deck on your house, and you're thinking maybe I'd like to supplement my income on the weekends or what have you um, to start me a pressure washing business. Well, I would recommend this. Go to Google, and there's a reason behind this recommendation. Of course, you could do what you like, and it depends on your expertise and how much you know about pressure washing. Um, Go to your area and just Google pressure washing companies. For example, maybe you live in Atlanta, Georgia area. If you live, wherever you live, Los Angeles, or, I'm not sure about that area. I live on the East Coast, so I know in Atlanta you could look up pressure washing companies and perhaps see if they're hiring on maybe a part-time basis, and just get the lay of the land and see what it takes to pressure wash physically, not just monetarily, and what it's going to cost you to go out and buy and purchase the equipment, which is a big factor. But see if you even like it. I tell you, over the years, you've seen a lot. I've seen people come and go, and a lot of them go, to be honest, when it comes to pressure washing. Um, Again, it could be fairly lucrative depending on where you live, but it is work. We don't want to sugarcoat it. It's physical work. You're going to get wet. That's a given. So, if you think you're going to stay dry all the time, you can give that up. This isn't for you. So, not to crush anyone's dreams. But test the waters out. That goes with point number 2. So when you test the waters out, what you could do, along with maybe perhaps getting on part time with a company in your area, go around to your neighbors. Hey, I'm thinking about starting a pressure washing business. Would you be interested? Hey, I can make you a good deal on pressure washing your sidewalk. And of course, as these videos go on, I'll show you my recommendations on bidding jobs and things like that. But this is just, where do I start? We got to start somewhere, right? We got to get our feet wet, huh? No pun intended, but it's true. So word of mouth, point number 3, in your neighborhood, walking around your neighborhood, you know, got to put the feet to the pavement sometimes. Jobs just, they're not going to come to you, but you'll notice that if you stand by what you say, you'll get a lot of work in this business, because even now after 20 years, and even with the economy being up and down, you'll always get work from people not calling back. Hey, I called this company back, and they never called me, and blah blah blah. I've gotten a lot of work that way. So keep that integrity when it comes to your business. And that goes with any business, doesn't it? So start small. Don't go out. If you've never pressure washed a day in your life, I highly do not recommend going out purchasing this expensive equipment, pressure washers. Pressure washers, for the average home user or residential um, customer, you can get one for a couple $100, but that's not in the commercial realm. When you start to work um, professionally and every day, the commercial brand pressure washers, the price goes up, substantially. So, and you want that, because you want that good quality equipment to last, because it's your business, right? So start small, start in your neighborhood, get that first job, and build on it from there. And so, in our next video, we'll highlight other things we have to do to get started. Examples like, what do I have to do legally to get established, what type of insurance. So all those things are coming up, as well as how-to videos on how to pressure wash a deck, how to stain decks. So we will even expand even more as we go on with these videos. So if you're definitely interested in how to start a pressure washing business, stay tuned and feel free to comment down in the comment sections here on YouTube as well if you have any questions about starting your own pressure washing business. And for immediate help and tips and tutorials, visit washmycastle.com. I have pressure washing safety tips and how-tos on there on ways that I've expanded my business over the last 20 plus years. So you can get some ideas there as well. So thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.